Hey everyone, welcome back to another Cleaning with Casey. Today we're going to talk all about recycling and what is trash and what is recycling. There are two main types of waste, and that is trash and recycling. Recycling is material that can be broken down and reused to make something else, and trash is something that cannot be reused. It's just trash, it has no use, no value, no nothing. So today, we're going to dive into those, learn a little bit more about what is trash and what is recycling, and what happens to our recycling when we send it off to the factory. So, I'll see you when we're talking about trash. Recycling is the process of items that are ready to be thrown away and changing them into reusable materials. Only certain items can be recycled though. Those are glass, paper, plastic, and metal. So some examples of these could be plastic could be your cardboard and paper you drew on at school or did homework on. Your plastic could be water bottles or Tupperware, metal, soda cans, and last but not least, your glass. That could be mason jars or jars jelly or jam came in, maybe even the jar of spaghetti you guys had last night. All of these items can be broken down and turned into something else. And how we do that is we put it all in our recycling bin. We make sure nothing else is in there that's not supposed to be recycled. And then when recycling day is, we put it out at the edge of the street and wait for the garbage men to come pick it up. And then they bring it off to a factory. When the truck gets to the factory from picking up your recycled materials from your house, what they have to do is they put it on conveyor belts and they have to sort through everything, putting each thing into their own bin. Once that happens, they can then start to break down the materials. That could be melting it or compacting it or pressing it really tightly together so they can make something new. Now, it's very important that we recycle because it helps stop pollution on the earth. That's very important because it helps us be able to breathe in clean air, and everyone needs air. And so many things can be made out of recycled materials. Anything from car parts to roads, even playgrounds. So many swings and slides are made out of recycled materials. That's why it's so important to make sure you recycle. So next time you think about throwing away that bottle, make sure you recycle it. I hope everyone learned a little bit about recycling and trash today, and I hope you have all been having a great time at home. I hope to see you back at school very, very soon, and have a very good time with your parents. I'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.